welcome back to another video. Well, today we are in the kitchen again, and today we're gonna give you guys some jerk salmon. So I have 2 pieces of salmon fillet already washed with vinegar and stuff like that. There they are, ready to be seasoned. So over here I have my onion powder, my garlic powder, my sazon, my jerk season, and some Old Bay. So what I'm going to be doing for you today is some jerk salmon. Okay guys, so we're going to start the seasoning process. Today I'm going to do some freestyle seasoning, so ain't no measurement. So we're going to go in now with the onion powder. So just a little dash. Go in now with the garlic powder, another little dash. Then we go in with the sazon. Let me tell you something about this sazon. It gives you a good flavor and a nice color. When I say nice color, it gives you a very nice color. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Old Bay. And after I add all these seasonings, I'm going to rub them up together so that they marinate good on your salmon. So I'm going to go ahead and go in now and get my jerk seasoning. Yes, I don't want to add too much jerk seasoning because I don't want to get my salmon too salty. Over there in the sink, go ahead and wash my hands again because I'm going to go ahead now and start the rubbing up process. So this is something real quick and real easy. So you're gonna make sure you make the seasoning marinate in it. It's gonna be a real tasty, quick and fast meal. Make sure they take up all the seasoning. This go down well with a salad or some rice. So I'm going to be serving up this with some rice and peas and vegetable. Alright, so that would be that. So when we come back, we put it in the oven for you guys. Yes people, welcome back. So we're going to go ahead now and place them on the rack. I'll tell you, they're well seasoned, and guess what? I know they're gonna be tasty. Alright, so you just put a little bit of grease, a little bit of butter or something, just wipe it on your foil paper so your salmon don't stick. So now you're gonna place it in the oven, preheated the oven for 360 degrees, and you're going to leave that for a good 20 minutes. In 20 minutes that should be over with. So stick and stay with me guys. Alright happy people, welcome back. And this is the finished salmon, jerk salmon. See how nice it looks? And I know it is as tasty as how it looks. Yes guys, so what I want you all to do is stick around and wait for the plating. Plating coming up. Stick and stay. Welcome back. Right now I have the finished dish for you guys. So come on over here and look what I got for you guys. Jerk salmon, serve up with some rice and peas And in the comment section, guys, I want you all to tell me how much marks you would give me for presentation. Okay? So that's it. Nice, juicy salmon jerk, as I said before, with vegetable and rice and peas. So that's what's popping in my kitchen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dig in and tell you guys how the jerk salmon tastes. Okay? So at least I cook something today that I eat that I can actually tell you what's going on with it. I ain't gotta ask nobody about this one. First, I gotta taste the salmon. First, it's not dry, not salty. It's good. When I say good, it's good. Look at the texture. As you can see the juice in it. You can see it. Look. Good. And the rice and peas just complement it. Go back to the vegetable now. My favorite. Fresh and good. So yes guys, for this and any other of my recipes, just run over to the channel, Robin with the Bennetts. And if you're not subscribers yet, please do so. Hit that post notification bell so when I upload, you will be notified. So just go ahead and also hit that subscribe button for this and any other of my awesome cooking recipes and them good travel vlogs. So until next time, peace. I'm out.